Hey everybody, it's JR here at the Klipsch booth at CES 2018. We just got the lowdown on the Reference Premiere line of speakers. That's what you're seeing right here. Do they look better than ever? We certainly think so, and that's the main story here is major cosmetic upgrades. These rings around here, these rings around the tweeters. The finish on them is pretty great. There is a walnut wood veneer, a black vinyl. Those both have this sort of satin painted baffle on it. They just look better than ever. There's also a piano gloss black version available. So the Reference Premiere line now looks as good as it sounds. They didn't really feel they need to fix it because it wasn't broken sound-wise. They sounded great already. They will continue to sound great. They did improve the feet. The base for these is now a cast aluminum foot, which is going to be a little bit more stable. It's going to look nicer. It's going to and be more durable as well. They did also, I was just thinking, when we first started selling Klipsch at Crutchfield, they had this little tiny 4-inch driver floor standing speaker that they made. We were all so impressed by that. That kind of went away for a while, but it's back. It's going to be part of the Reference Premiere line, a floor standing speaker with dual 4-inch drivers. I think that's going to be fantastic because it's so small and compact, fits and looks well in any room, and has just a much bigger sound than you would expect to come out of a dual 4-inch driver floor standing speaker. There will be a matching center channel to go with that with 4-inch drivers, as well as something more like this there as well to be your surround speakers. As far as subwoofers go, they've broken off the subs into 2 separate lines. If you're just looking for maximum SPL, sound pressure level, lots and lots of bass, you probably just want to go with the SPL line. There's a 10-inch and a 12-inch. They're also a little bit less expensive in that line. Or you can go for the higher performing XP line, which will offer a 12 and a 15-inch. There'll be a lot more power in those powered subwoofers, and all new speakers on them as well. So new drivers, new amps, higher performance. I couldn't wait to get to the Klipsch booth. I've always been a huge Klipsch fan. I've got Klipsch speakers all over my house, so I'm just pretty excited to even be here and to be able to get to see the brand new cosmetics and the new Reference Premiere line of speakers. If you got any questions on Klipsch speakers, any other speakers, anything, give Crutchfield a call, chat with us, email us. Advisors are there right now ready to take your call and help you get whatever you need. Thanks for watching.